CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut midrangba ka jila basnya balang dhar ulong bu kurtong ke NPP. Hakinik election MP siteng Samoy National Parliamentary Constituency. Kata, u Dr. DRL Nonglait, ude Briew badang thamai hakasan perthai, berude ru Briew bamdon daw, yaga baki weki seng perthai, kinyo ban kinno persya berudon gajing kermen, bas kamban job hakinik election siteng Samoy, bat ke NPP ru kantre shitam ban penjob Habakana halo ke election MLA ke ban selong house nam arajar hopra. Ubasnya bhalang ulakop bagi NPP kan Synshar Marwei makin don shibun kino ilam neki we pat kiseng ru kebenwan penyeso iladi ke NPP shwa ke election arajar arpopra.
Yesterday we have announced officially our candidates who will be going to contest for this MP by-election. So simple is that yesterday we have decided officially, you have witnessed it also. So simple is that from the party we will work hard to make you win.
No, there is a criticism that is reciprocal in the sense.
You see that is once announced, there is so many views from different sections of society, no problem in that. So I request you to help us to make it win.
What is the agenda you will be? Anti-incumbency is very much there.
No, anti-incumbency, I don't know very much there or is there. Let us see, because we have to work hard to make you win. That is the commitment from the party side. And moreover, yes, you have heard from his speeches, so it's very, very genuine. So exactly what he means, why he interpreted, yes, they explained properly, and which is very, very good from his speech. So I think make sure also, since it's a fresh, new candidate, so I think maybe anti-incumbency personally to him maybe is zero. So if there is any lapses here and there made from the party, so I think we'll be able to make it up. What the approach? Yeah, election is 2 years away from now.
Mokerwat is an example. You wanted to
No, you see, there is no such discussion in any other sitting MLA. Maybe yes, some of the other political party leaders join. Maybe they have seen the good work of the government.
But when the election comes,
Yeah, when election comes, I'll be able to tell you. Maybe yes, you are right. Some of them are expressed to join. That we will take a decision. No, I think next 2018 we will be able to win solid majority. And why I say that, because lots of work has been happening on the ground as I speak.
but the examples are differing. People
Yes,
don't-
obviously, fighting is there. Fighting is there, but we have to manage, we have to get numbers.
So there is one factor is BPP. So how will you tackle?
No problem, VP is there, Congress is there, UTP is there, MPP is there. And people witness now. Lots of work has been happened during at least this last 8 years. And the people of the state now have seen they are very, very clever and they know whom to vote, where to vote.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.